Hello friends, welcome to Buddha Blessed Life. In the year 2024, as we navigate the opportunities for personal transformation and growth, we can find guidance in the profound teachings of Buddhism. This ancient philosophy offers a timeless framework for understanding the nature of existence and provides practical wisdom on how to navigate the challenges of life with grace and mindfulness. Rule 1. Embrace mindfulness. The essence of Buddhism encourages us to embrace mindfulness, which involves developing an awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. By being fully present in each moment, we let go of concerns about the past or future, finding contentment in the here and now. Mindfulness is not just a fleeting practice, it is a fundamental aspect of Buddhist teachings, promoting inner peace and tranquility. Rule 2. Practice compassion. Central to Buddhism is the practice of compassion, treating others with kindness and understanding. Compassion goes beyond personal relationships. It extends to all beings, fostering a sense of interconnectedness. By showing kindness and empathy, we not only bring happiness to those around us, but also contribute to creating a more caring and harmonious society. Rule 3. Let go of attachment. In Buddhism, the idea of letting go of attachment is crucial. This means not becoming overly attached to external things like possessions or specific outcomes. Understanding the impermanence of all things and accepting life as it is, without clinging to the past or future, frees us from the suffering that arises from attachment. Rule 4. Develop equanimity. To navigate life's ups and downs, Buddhism encourages the development of equanimity, the ability to remain calm and balanced. This practice helps us stay emotionally stable, fostering resilience in the face of difficulties. Equanimity is not just for specific situations or people. It is a practice that promotes emotional stability and balance for everyone. Rule 5. Live simply. Living simply is a key principle in Buddhism. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle and letting go of the constant pursuit of material possessions, we can find greater contentment and freedom. Simplifying our lives allows us to focus on what truly matters, reducing the burden of excessive consumerism. Rule 6. Continuously learn. Continuous learning is emphasized in Buddhism as a crucial aspect of personal growth. Seeking knowledge, understanding, and applying it to daily life expand our awareness, cultivate wisdom, and deepen our connection to ourselves and the world around us. Rule 7. Reflect on your actions. Reflecting on our actions is an essential part of personal growth. Mindful consideration of our experiences and behaviors fosters self-awareness, leading to positive changes in our lives. Journaling, mindfulness practices, and self-reflection become valuable tools for this purpose. Rule 8. Forgive yourself and others. The practice of forgiveness is transformative. By letting go of resentment and anger, we release the burden of past grievances. Forgiving ourselves and others opens our hearts to healing and compassion, paving the way for personal growth. Rule 9. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice in Buddhism, involving expressing appreciation for the good in our lives. By cultivating a positive outlook and acknowledging the contributions of others, we foster a sense of inner contentment and well-being. Rule 10. Meditate regularly. Meditation is a cornerstone of Buddhist practice, training the mind to achieve a state of calm and clarity. Regular meditation cultivates self-awareness, emotional well-being, and personal growth, providing moments of stillness in our busy lives. Rule 11. Be kind to yourself. Being kind to oneself is crucial for personal growth. This involves practicing self-compassion, acknowledging achievements, and treating oneself with the same kindness offered to others. Recognizing imperfections and focusing on continuous improvement promotes a healthier approach to life's challenges. Rule 12. Strive for balance. Striving for balance is a fundamental principle in Buddhism, involving finding equilibrium in all aspects of life. Identifying priorities, setting boundaries, and reflecting on experiences help maintain a sense of harmony, fostering inner peace and personal growth. Incorporating these 12 rules into our daily lives can lead to profound personal growth and transformation. By understanding ourselves better and drawing inspiration from the timeless lessons of Buddhism, we can embark on a journey toward a more peaceful and wise 2024.